Hey guys, and welcome back. If Ollama feels slow, here's how to speed it up. First, make sure it's using your GPU, so you gotta open a terminal and run Ollama PS. If it says 100% GPU, you're good. If it says 100% CPU, you gotta fix your GPU setup first. And you gotta make sure that your device does support a GPU, and you can also update your GPU drivers if you have any. Secondly, you can use a smaller quantized model. Like over here, you can see I'm using Q4KS model. You can go to the website of this model and use any alternative lightweight quantized model. So these are much faster with very little quality loss. So you can simply download a much lighter version of the same model. Third, you gotta check your device RAM. So you gotta right click on the taskbar at the bottom and go to Task Manager. Over here, you gotta go to Performance tab and you'll be able to see your RAM listed. So you gotta make sure that you do have some RAM. If your RAM is almost used, just like mine, then you can go to Processes or Startup Apps and end the tasks of any of the apps that you don't need. So basically, freeing up RAM helps Ollama generate responses much faster. Fourth, if your GPU has enough VRAM, you could increase the number of GPU layers so more of the model runs on the GPU instead of the CPU. You can also keep your models on an SSD. Models load much faster from an SSD than from a hard drive. And finally, you gotta update both Ollama and your GPU drivers. New updates often include significant performance improvements. So follow these steps and you can dramatically improve Ollama's speed in just a few minutes. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.